Looking for a globally recognized broker that combines cutting-edge technology, powerful tools, and a client-first approach? In this video, we are going to be having a look at FXTM, also known as ForexTime, a trusted name in online trading that's been empowering traders since 2011. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. FXTM, also known as ForexTime, is a trusted name in online trading that's been empowering traders since 2011. With over 4 million clients across more than 180 countries, FXTM has built its reputation on transparency, regulation, and performance. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore the markets or an experienced trader searching for tight spreads and fast execution, FXTM offers a range of accounts to suit every style. The broker is regulated by top-tier financial authorities, giving clients peace of mind and a secure trading environment. FXTM also provides access to a wide range of tradable instruments, all available through the world-renowned MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, as well as FXTM's own mobile trading application. With a strong emphasis on education and support, FXTM offers multilingual customer service and in-depth market analysis. The broker provides access to a diverse range of over 1,000 tradable instruments, making it a solid choice for traders seeking variety across global markets. At the core of their offering is Forex trading, with a wide selection of major, minor, and exotic currency pairs. For those looking to diversify, FXTM also offers stock CFDs on some of the world's most well-known companies, including tech giants like Apple, allowing traders to speculate on share price movements without owning the underlying assets. Beyond Forex and stocks, FXTM supports trading on global indices such as the S&P 500, FTSE 100, and DAX 40, giving traders exposure to broader market trends. You'll also find precious metals like gold and silver, which are popular for safe haven strategies, and commodity CFDs, including Brent crude oil and natural gas, ideal for those interested in energy markets. For more risk-tolerant traders, FXTM also offers cryptocurrency CFDs, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, providing access to highly volatile digital assets. Whether you're focused on short-term trades or building a long-term strategy, FXTM's broad instrument selection ensures there's something to match every trading style. FXTM is a well-regulated broker, operating under multiple trusted financial authorities to ensure client safety and transparency. In Europe, ForexTime Limited is regulated by SISEC and complies with MiFID II, offering protections like segregated client funds, negative balance protection, and coverage under the Investor Compensation Fund. UK clients are authorized by the FCA, with additional fund protection through the FSCS. FXTM is also regulated by the FSCA, ensuring local oversight and fund segregation, though it does not include a compensation scheme. Globally, FXTM also holds licenses from the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius and the Capital Markets Authority of Kenya, extending its reach while maintaining strong compliance standards. Across all jurisdictions, FXTM maintains segregated client accounts, applies strict anti-money laundering policies, and uses SSL encryption to protect personal and financial data. Negative balance protection is also in place where required, giving traders added peace of mind. The broker offers a range of cashback and referral promotions, although full deposit or sign-up bonuses are limited in regulated jurisdictions. Its flagship Refer a Friend program rewards both the referrer and the new client with up to $50 in withdrawable cash per qualifying referral, up to a lifetime maximum of $10,000, contingent on deposit, verified accounts, and trading minimums. While FXTM does not generally offer a sign-up bonus in many regions, in select markets there may be deposit bonus promotions such as 30% extra on deposits up to around $200 to $300, subject to terms and availability. Traders may also participate in the Loyalty Cashback Rebate Program, which pays real withdrawable cash per lot traded across multiple tiers of loyalty, rather than virtual credits. with rebates that scale on trading volume and account level. In addition, FXTM regularly hosts live and demo trading contests with prize pools that can exceed $40,000 to $100,000, offering cash prizes, gadgets, event tickets, and more for top performers. The broker delivers 3 robust trading platforms designed to suit a wide range of traders. At the core are MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, both available on desktop and mobile interfaces. MetaTrader 4 is the long-standing industry favorite and is ideal for Forex traders due to its intuitive interface, customizable charts, and support for expert advisors and over 30 technical indicators. MetaTrader 5, its successor, offers deeper functionality, including over 80 technical indicators, 21 timeframes, market depth data, integrated economic calendars, and support for trading multiple asset classes, making it a powerful choice for advanced traders. Completing the suite is the FXTM Trader application, the broker's proprietary mobile platform, built for both beginners and experienced traders. It features a clean, user-friendly interface, real-time charts, economic calendars, trade signals, and one-click trading capabilities across over 250 instruments. The mobile application also integrates account management directly within My FXTM, ensuring full control on the go. All platforms support multiple order types and offer automated trading, virtual private server compatibility, and pro tools such as Trading Central and FX Blue. Together, this suite delivers flexibility, advanced technical tools, and seamless cross-device access to meet the demands of today's traders. FXTM offers 3 main account types: their Advantage, Advantage Plus, and Advantage Stocks accounts, each tailored to different trader profiles. Their Advantage account is designed for traders who want ultra-tight spreads combined with transparent commission pricing. With a minimum deposit of $200, it offers spreads starting from 0.0 pips on major Forex pairs like the Euro to US dollar and Great British Pound to US dollar, plus tight spreads on metals such as gold. Leverage can go up to 1 to 3,000, subject to regional limits, and their commission fees are competitive. FXTM's Advantage Plus account is tailored for traders seeking commission-free trading with broader spreads. With a minimum deposit of $200, it offers spreads starting from 1.5 pips across major Forex pairs. This account provides access to a wide range of instruments, leverage up to 1 to 3,000, and swap-free options available. The Advantage Plus account is ideal for traders who prefer to avoid commissions and are comfortable with wider spreads. FXTM's Advantage Stocks account is tailored for traders focused exclusively on US stock trading. With a minimum deposit of $200, this account offers zero commission trading on over 600 US stocks, including major companies like Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft. The account operates with 1-to-1 leverage, meaning no margin is required, and is denominated in US dollars. Traders benefit from tight spreads starting from 6 cents per share, and this account type is ideal for those seeking direct exposure to US equities without the complexities of CFDs or commissions. FXTM's demo trading account offers a risk-free environment for beginners to practice trading with virtual funds. It mirrors real market conditions, allowing traders to familiarize themselves with the platforms and test strategies without financial risk. Traders can choose their virtual balance and have access to a wide range of instruments. This account is ideal for building confidence and honing trading skills before transitioning to live trading. As mentioned with the Advantage Plus account, FXTM offers Islamic account options, which is designed for traders who follow Sharia law. Available across account types, this swap-free account removes overnight swap fees and applies a flat administration fee instead. This account provides access to a wide range of instruments, and trading is facilitated on both MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, offering flexibility and advanced trading tools. Creating an account with FXTM is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Account button. What you'll want to do next is submit and fill out your personal information, such as your country of residence, email address, and create a password. After your account has been created, you will be redirected to the FXTM client portal. Within their client portal, you can check up on news, create live or demo accounts, contact support, and much more. The next step would be to either create a live account, in which you will need to validate and verify your personal information to open a live account and begin trading with real capital. Alternatively, you can simply open a demo account. Either verify your credentials and open a live account, or open a demo account. The next step after you have decided which account type you want to open would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with FXTM. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of the broker's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of drawing tools, chart types, and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the trading platforms, FXTM provides a wide variety of educational content to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker offers a variety of secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal options designed to accommodate traders worldwide. Clients can fund their accounts using popular methods such as credit and debit cards, e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller, bank wire transfers, and several local payment systems, depending on the client's region. This broad selection ensures traders can quickly and easily add funds with minimal hassle. Deposits are usually processed instantly or within a few hours, allowing traders to access their funds and start trading immediately. Withdrawals are handled effectively and returned to the original payment method wherever possible. With processing times varying by method, clients can manage all transactions through the user-friendly My FXTM portal, which provides real-time updates on deposit and withdrawal statuses, displays available payment options, and offers currency conversion details where applicable. FXTM's transparent and flexible payment system enhances the overall trading experience by making fund management simple and reliable for traders around the globe. FXTM offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at every level. Their Knowledge Hub provides a wealth of resources, including detailed articles, guides, and tutorials covering topics such as forex trading, CFDs, indices, and futures. For those who prefer interactive learning, the broker hosts live webinars and on-location seminars led by industry experts, offering insights into market strategies and trading techniques. Additionally, FXTM offers downloadable ebooks that delve into various trading concepts, and their mobile application serves as a digital trading mentor, providing a risk-free environment for beginners to practice and refine their trading skills. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your strategies, their educational resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools needed for success in the financial markets. Additionally, FXTM provides a comprehensive suite of market analysis tools to support traders in making informed decisions. Their daily market analysis delivers timely insights into global markets, which are crafted by FXTM's in-house team of market experts, offering both technical and fundamental perspectives. Traders can also access weekly outlooks, trade of the week features, and mid-week technical updates, which delve into specific instruments. Their pro trading tools, powered by FXBlue and Trading Central, provide advanced charting capabilities, real-time market analysis, and trade ideas, enhancing the trading experience for both beginners and seasoned traders. Over the years of operation, FXTM has garnered over 45 prestigious awards since its inception, recognizing its excellence in various facets of online trading. These accolades span categories such as education, technology, service, and trust, underscoring FXTM's commitment to delivering exceptional value to its clients. The broker's dedication to providing top-notch trading conditions, comprehensive educational resources, and innovative technological solutions has been acknowledged by esteemed industry bodies worldwide. These recognitions not only highlight FXTM's industry leadership, but also reinforces its mission to empower traders with the tools and knowledge needed for success in the financial markets. Overall, FXTM has firmly established itself as a leading global broker, offering a comprehensive trading experience designed to meet the needs of both novice and professional traders. Backed by strong regulation from top-tier authorities, the broker ensures a secure and transparent trading environment. Their extensive range of tradable instruments, from forex and stocks to commodities, indices, and even cryptocurrencies, provide ample opportunities for portfolio diversification. FXTM's multiple account types and flexible leverage options cater to different trading styles and risk appetites, while their cutting-edge platforms deliver powerful tools for market analysis and execution. Beyond trading, FXTM excels in education and market research, offering webinars, tutorials, daily news, and in-depth analysis to help traders sharpen their skills and stay ahead of market trends. Their customer-centric approach, combined with secure deposits and withdrawal options, as well as dedicated support, creates a seamless trading journey. So whether you're taking your first steps in trading or aiming to refine your strategies, FXTM's blend of innovation, reliability, and client-focused services positions it as a strong contender in the competitive online brokerage landscape. And that is our overview of FXTM. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.